1, 2, 3 and full, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and full, triple step, and 1, 2. We started off with a side pass. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, triple step. Ladies walk straight down that slot. Leaders move out of the way, chase her down. We then showed you can do it with the other hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can even do it in a reverse handshake. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We then showed you give her a preparatory motion. In, out. If she wants to, she'll spin. If she doesn't want to, it's always lady's choice. From there, we keep the hand low. 1, 2, keep it low. Face your man. From there, we can switch across the slot. 1, 2, triple cross, triple prep. If she wants to, she can spin. If she doesn't want to, she won't spin. Triple step. Whole thing looks like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, triple step, and 1, 2. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Grab a guy, grab a girl, give her lots of basics. Let's practice for a song.